All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be looking at cases from my iPhone 16 Pro. Then also have cases from SandMarc for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I'll debut those in a different video. But for now, we're going to go ahead and take a look at these cases here. This is their minimal leather case, and it looks like it's going to be pretty cool. I've got a lot of leather cases, because Apple stopped making leather cases. They're going with this other thing. So it's best to shop around and find your own leather case. And now companies can take advantage of this arena because Apple has stepped away from it. So I've got two colors here. I've got the navy and the brown. I'm going to go ahead and try them both on for you. So we'll start with the brown here. The packaging on this is fairly simple. I'm sure they're trying to save with the packaging, and it's just packaging. Most people will toss it, but I wanted to go ahead and show you what it looks like. It's actually kind of good for this presentation here so far. But here you go. This is what it looks like here. You can pause this and read it. It gives you specific information about it. So if you see it says brown minimal leather, it'll say navy here. So they took some time into their packaging to print on different parts of the packaging, the different colors. It even says it here on the front. So this is a nice sleeve that it comes out of. And we're going to go ahead and put it on the phone in just a second here. But you can see here it is MagSafe charging, wrist strap friendly, soft microfiber interior. So that means up against the back of my phone, it won't get scratched or anything, and it'll be nice and clean. You can see here, magnetic enabled design, minimal sleek finish, microfiber lining, and metal buttons. So the fact that they have pointed out that these are real metal buttons is nice. And they're also letting you know that it's full grain leather. Now, some companies are going to, switch away from and go to the faux leather. Basically, it's just plastic and different materials to try to make it seem like it's leather. But this was designed in California, so this is what they're going with. In this presentation already, it looks, like I said, it looks pretty good. This is what it comes like in the box. And we're going to go ahead and slide it open here. Very nice. Just as I suspected, it's very nice. So looking at it here, this is the brown version. You can see around the case here, it actually has the brown around the camera lens, because a lot of companies will put black around there, so the flash. But now companies are just matching the color of the case, and it's just really, really nice. This feels really nice. So you can tell that this is full grain leather. I have leather belts, leather coats, a bunch of different things. So I know when leather is leather. So I'm going to pop it out here. Nothing else in the back packaging here that you would actually need. And then flipping it over here, you can see the MagSafe ring here. And theirs is actually kind of like it's lower down in there, and the rest of the microfiber area is kind of raised up. It even has 16 Pro down in here just to make sure you got the right one for your phone. And you got a little bit more branding there from SandMarc, and then on the back it says SandMarc as well. On this side here, the new iPhones have this camera cut out right here for this extra button here, which I have never used, but maybe 20 times on my phone. And you got the metal buttons. You can see on the inside here how they have it sealed, so the buttons aren't showing on the inside. In this case, overall, it just feels really good. So we know that it's MagSafe compatible. We know that it's wireless charging as well. But this is what it looks like when it's on the phone. Wow, that really gives some life to this phone. Now, it's not the grippiest case. Obviously, just going to have to wear for a little bit before you actually see some real grip on here. But yeah, this feels really good, man. Yeah, it feels really, really strong. I like how it feels on the phone. It gives it that tightness. It's a snug fitting case, and the buttons, nice and tactile, kind of stiff. But again, the more you use this, the more it's going to liven up. And so we hit the camera button, easy access. It's nicely recessed. And so it's good to go. So yeah, man, this is the case here in brown. Now let's go ahead and try the blue one on for those of you that might have ordered the blue version. Remember, I'll have a link in the description for these cases, and it comes in different colors too. It comes in sand, black, blue, and some other colors like brown and everything. So here's the blue one here. Ooh, wow, that's pretty nice. That's a nice color. I can't wait to show you the other colors I have too for the Max. So here's what it looks like in blue. Again, same thing going on here. And let me get something MagSafe for you, just to show you that the MagSafe magnet should be fairly strong on most of these cases like this. Yeah, this case is fairly strong. Nice magnet on here, and then putting on one with the phone, yeah, it's good to go. It's just kind of one of those like pop socket type deals. But yeah, it also will use some wireless charging as well. So no need to worry about that. It's going to be good to go. Let's try on the blue just because some of you guys want to see what the blue looks like. This is a very snug fit case, folks. So just be mindful of that. I know most people don't take off their cases very often. And since some people, you know, these phones don't have SIM cards anymore, so there's really no need to remove your case, I guess, unless you want to clean your phone for a little bit. But this is what it looks like with the blue one on. Clean the camera module up. So here's the cases, man. Really nice. I'm really feeling this blue and this brown, and the sand looks really good too. I'll show you the other colors, like I said at one point in another video for the Max. But man, these are the cases, man, and these look really sleek. I think you're probably gonna like these if you decide to purchase one of these. They feel really good in the hand, and you can tell that it's real full grain leather because if you've never felt real full grain leather before, you'll feel it with these cases. It's gonna wear over time, and it's going to get better. It's going to get better. So just be mindful of that. And you know, real leather, you want it to get a little crinkly and a little worn. It feels so much better once it's worn and broke in. So yeah, everything on here is going to be the same, lining it up with the ports and everything. Buttons, camera is now recessed. I do have a tempered glass on here, so these cases will work with any tempered glass that you can probably use with these. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Ooh, there they are.